In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung Odyssey monitor to MacBook Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a MacBook Pro, any model, I'm going to be giving you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set it up and connect it to any Samsung Odyssey monitor model. So you can do this with the Odyssey G3, G4, G5, basically literally any Odyssey model. So for you to do this, you simply have to gather the appropriate cables. You will have to establish a physical connection between the Odyssey monitor and the MacBook Pro using the cables that I'm going to mention here. So the main one is always going to be HDMI to HDMI. So if you have the option to use this set of cables, HDMI to HDMI, this is going to be by far the most convenient way and straightforward way to set it up. So all that you have to do is plug one end of the HDMI cable into the Odyssey monitor of your choice, and then the other one into the MacBook Pro, which I'm going to talk about shortly. If you notice that for whatever reason, your particular Odyssey model does not feature HDMI ports at the back, maybe it has micro HDMI, or for whatever reason it only has USB-C, then of course you will have to use a different cable. So basically, you will have to choose from any cable that allows you to establish a connection between the MacBook Pro and the Samsung monitor. An example would be micro HDMI to HDMI, maybe USB-C to USB-C, USB-C to HDMI. Basically, the baseline is that you have to be able to connect both of them. But for this video, I'm going to assume that your monitor features an HDMI port and that your MacBook Pro does as well. So most models of MacBook Pro, including the new M4 chip one, will have an HDMI port. So this allows you to easily and directly connect the monitor to it. But of course, if it doesn't feature the HDMI port, then explore your other options, such as USB-C. Once you establish a connection by connecting one end into the MacBook Pro and another end of the cable into the Odyssey monitor, you will be good to go. If you power on the monitor and the MacBook Pro, they will detect themselves and you will be able to configure it however you prefer. You can mirror the image on both displays. You can use the Odyssey as an external additional display and position it however you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung Odyssey monitor to MacBook Pro. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.